All right, listen up. At approximately 3:30, we received reports of a potential situation at the Clementi Hotel. Reports are that the Fremont family is currently sheltering there. Yes, it's the same Fremonts as the politician involved in the shooting yesterday.
How reliable is the source?
Dispatch has the head of hotel security on the line. He was alerted to the situation by one of the Fremont kids. Michael Fremont, age 20, first drew their attention to the situation. He'd been outside returning to the hotel when he reported seeing an unknown number of armed suspects trying to enter the premises via the external fire escape. I don't need to point out to any of you how much the department doesn't need a prominent politician's family being murdered right now. We've got security to put a lockdown in place, and we have visuals in the hallways, but nothing in the penthouse suite itself. We're getting the blueprint sent through, but if they don't get here in time, we'll just have to go in blind. Time is of the essence here. We know there are 6 family members up there, along with several members of their private security detail. We need to get the family out, without any casualties. We're going in with lethal force. We can't afford any fuck-ups on this one. Am I clear?
How are we entering the building, sir?
Right. We're going in 2 ways. I want half of you to follow the suspect's entry route up the fire escape. Get up, get in, get out. The rest of you, I want you inside on the stairs. Clear out any civilians to the lobby. I want you at the penthouse ASAP to get the family members out.
9052, cat number.
All right, brace yourselves. We're 2 minutes out and have reports of shots being fired. Remember, this is the 14th floor. I want you all up there fast.
Dr. Element, move carefully. The hostages may be surrounded by traps. Exercise extreme caution.
Post up and cover.
Stacking. You're in my spot. Good.
Check it with the warrant.
On it. I got the mirror.
Call their phone. Tell them to come here.
Multiple openings. Looking good, sir. All clear.
Move in and clear.
Yep. Breaching! Opening on the left. We got a hallway to the right.
We gotta move.
Nothing here, sir.
Entry team to talk. We have a civilian down.
Dr. Element,
Split the stack.
notifying medical.
It's open. We're good to go.
Ran the door. Deploy flashbangs.
Knocking it down.
See those hands?
Drop the weapon now! Police, don't fucking move!
Stay out of this! Come out. Everything's fine.
Put your hands up and get down slowly! Shit! I got cuffed. We warned you.
I'll get in the area for any contact.
Suspect ready to go. Can talk. Good to go.
Entry team, this is Todd. Roger, trailer's inbound.
Stay down and turn around. Turn around slowly. You want to relax. Talk. We got a suspect here ready for trailers.
Doctor,
Turn around. Don't
trailers
get
en
up.
route.
This is procedure.
The party's just getting started.
Stay on me.
Dock to entry team. Beauty. Keep them coming.
Split and provide cover on this door.
open. We're good to go.
Curious how you're gonna write your report.
Move in. Clear it.
Copy.
Switch with me.
I got nothing here.
Provide support.
Behind you.
You're way out of your league.
Split and cover.
Acknowledged. Locked. Not happening.
There's a target on your back, son.
Door flash and clear.
I'm on it.
Switch.
Breaching! Breaching!
Get down now!
I can't see!
Drop the weapon and put your police. You're under arrest. Police, don't move. Police, hands up now. Get down. I want to see hands.
Going in!
Looks clear
I got
right here,
cover.
boss.
Good to go.
Good to go. Good to go.
Doc reporting. Trailers
Falling behind
incoming.
me.
Proceed with caution.
You feel like a hero yet?
Provide cover.
Got it.
It's open. We're good to go.
Mirror for suspects.
Got it. Wand ready.
All clear.
Be okay, I promise.
No device here. Unarmed contact.
Get the door and move in.
I'm on it.
Let's go! Police, get down! In here!
Don't move for anything! All out strikes!
Hands up! Just go
Open
easy.
the door.
Get down now. Hands up.
Get down!
Police, down on the ground.
Try not to
I'm getting down. I don't have a gun.
Good to go.
We've got this under control.
Good to go.
This is Doc.
Good to go.
Trailers ready.
Talk. Civilian cuffed and ready for trailers.
Doc here. Trailers en route.
On my 6.
I'm with you.
Use the wand. Check for targets.
I got the wand. No traps visible. Looks good.
Tell me right now. Am I gonna live?
Move in and clear it.
10-4.
Fuck you!
Locked. How do you want to do it?
Let's move.
Confirmed.
Taking it down.
Move, move, move!
Empty over here. No contact.
Mirror it.
Copy. You're in my way, sir. Got the wand. It's good. Room clear.
Provide support on me.
Got your 6.
Putting down a chem light. Post up and cover the area.
10-4.
Drop the weapon and get down! Damn it. Put it down
Opening
slowly.
flashbang.
Flash out.
I'm going!
LSPD down on the ground.
Opening on the right.
Kimley.
Good here.
You better aim for the head. Hold it! Shit.
weapon and put the weapon down. On me, move. Drop the weapon now. Hands up, asshole. Now, get down on the floor. Right down on your knees. Slowly.
Police, don't move!
Alex is hurt.
Hands up, above your head.
Don't move!
I'm giving up.
Down on your goddamn knees now. Down on your knees.
LSPD, hands up!
Police, don't
Don't
move!
run!
Police, hands in the air, hands ready!
It's over. You hear me?
Handcuffing.
Stay here.
Moving
Stay
into
calm.
handcuffs.
One cup. Compliance.
Lead, this is Talk. Great work. Keep going.
Move and clear.
Roger.
Drop it and put your hands up! Moving it!
Police, drop the weapon.
Got an opening up ahead.
Police, get down.
LSPD,
Get down. I want to see hands.
Light stick out.
Get down! Don't move!
Hands on your head. Do it now. Get on the ground now. Stay still. Entry team to talk. Suspect secured.
Talk to lead. Notifying trailer.
On me.
I'm with you.
You assholes are playing checkers. Trust me.
Police, get down. Get down on your knees. Hands
Absolutely
up.
not. Okay, okay.
I got it.
I
Drop
didn't
and
do
ready, Talk.
anything.
Civilian is good to go.
Wanted.
Quiet.
Entry team, this is Talk. Trailers are ready.
Mirrors ready. Nothing. We're good. All good here.
Move in. Clear the room.
Ready. Switch with me.
moving!
Nothing. I'll get him ready. Nothing here, sir.
Checking.
Civilian is ready.
Fall in.
Right with you.
Get on the ground now. LSPD, don't move.
Make me.
Hands up. Do it now.
Okay,
Hands on
okay,
your
I'm
head
down.
now.
I got him.
You're gonna be okay.
Element to talk. Civilian is secured.
Talk to lead. Continue mission.
Post up and provide cover.
I'm good to go. Good.
Check it with the mirror.
I'm on it. Opening on the right. Safe. No traps. One armed contact.
This can't be happening.
C2, flash bandit
Copy
and
that.
clear.
Let's switch. Deployed and ready. Readying explosive.
Police, drop it!
PD, don't move!
Opening on the left.
Hands up!
Drop
don't
it and
move.
get down!
Drop the weapon and get down slowly.
That's all I've got.
Let me see those hands and put your hands up! Get down! Put
Get
your
down.
hands up and get down slowly! It's over! Give yourself up!
You.
Put your fucking hands up! Get down on the ground! Hands up! Drop the weapon! Drop it now! Get on the fucking ground! Do it! Police! Hands on your head!
Don't run or reach for anything!
Drop your weapons!
Police!
Drop it and get down! Drop the weapon and get... Drop the weapon! Get down now!
Get up! It's not worth it!
Freeze! Police, get down on the ground!
Either you kill me.
Drop the weapon now!
Think about it!
Police, don't fucking move! Drop the weapon and put your hands up! Police, get your hands up! Turn around, keep your hands up.
Get down now!
Stay quiet.
LSPD, don't move! I'm not giving up! Put the fucking gun down! Don't move!
Police,
Please,
you're
this
under
is Doc.
arrest!
Keep going.
Only way is if you kill
Police,
me.
don't move! Police, hands
You
up
better aim
now!
for the head.
Hands
My
up
hands
now!
up. Don't shoot.
Turn around slowly. Don't resist.
Cops! Fuck!
Element will talk. So stay on me.
Doc to entry team. Continue with objectives.
Come on in.
Fuck you! Stay out of there!
Now get
Moving
ready.
into handcuffs. Evidence good to go.
You're safe now.
Don't worry, it's over now. Element
Good
talk.
to go.
Civilian is cuffed and good
Element,
to go.
this is Doc. Trailers notified.
Drop the hands on your head!
Doc, got one down.
This is Doc. Continue with your mission.
Mirror for contacts.
No problem.
Get down on your knees! Hands up! Down on your knees!
Put your hands right
When
on
you're ready.
Police!
Stay down and turn around.
Get down now!
This is procedure. More than one opening.
Police, hands up!
Got a device.
Put your hands up!
Civilian good to go.
Doc to Element.
I'll get him ready.
Keep
Turn around
going.
and stay still.
Not like this, man.
Civilian is good to go. Compliant.
Doc to Element. We're ready.
What's going on?
Disarm that trap.
Disabling the device.
Disarmed.
Open, clear with
Bring
flashbangs.
into place.
Flashing.
Going in.
Opening on the left. FD over here. No contacts.
Mono a mono.
What do you say?
Open and bang it.
Roger that. LSPD, don't move! Police, hands
Get
up!
down! Keep your hands up! Hands on your head! Move! Down on the ground! Move! Put your hands up! Hands up! Drop to your knees! Let me see those hands! Down on the ground, now!
Dim light.
Turn around.
handcuffs.
Don't move. Stay put.
Civilian
I
on
do
fire.
nothing. Officer?
Leave the talk.
I have to go
One
to the
civilian
bathroom.
detained.
Entry team, this is Doc. Send them our way.
You got the money now. Money now. It belongs to me. Mrs. Lambert, they knew I was still alive, but they left me there.
Looks clear over here, boss. Looks clear over here, boss.
Provide support.
Got your back.
You proud, huh?
Open it and clear it with a flash.
Good to go.
This is ridiculous.
Banging.
I'm going.
Opening on the right.
Nothing.
Chem might have it. Huh.
Looks clear over here.
I've read a couple of these.
Fall in behind me.
Right with you. I got it.
Securing.
Start
Good to go.
search.
Evidence. Good to go.
Good talking for you. Great job. Come home for debrief.
Checking.